Salut tout le monde, c'est Inax, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve sur Gridfall pour continuer notre aventure. Le chef de ce village nous avait demandé de passer l'épreuve de l'eau. Donc on va y aller tout de suite. En espérant que ça va aller. Je pense que oui hein, quand même. Alors apparemment il devrait y avoir plusieurs épreuves. Je pense que ça a un rapport avec les éléments. Si on commence par l'eau, peut-être il y aura la terre et le feu. Et qui sait, peut-être le vent, on sait jamais. Hein. Tout dépend le nombre d'épreuves qu'on va nous demander de faire.
Look, these beasts are feeding on that carcass. If only we could pour some sleeping potion on it.
D'accord, une potion de sommeil. Ouais. Est-ce que j'ai une potion de sommeil? Bien évidemment que non. Alors peut-être dans mon inventaire, peut-être c'est dans les quêtes. Non, il n'y a pas de potion de sommeil. Alors la vraie question c'est... Y aurait-il pas un autre endroit? Non. Il faudrait peut-être déjà descendre. On va essayer de descendre pour essayer de tuer personne.
Very effective. Now that those beasts are asleep, we can pass without a fight.
Parfait. On va y aller tranquillement. On va essayer de tuer le moins de mobs possible, histoire de préserver la faune. Entrer dans la grotte de l'épreuve. Très bien. Il y a des trucs suspendus. Au niveau de la carte, on nous dit quoi? Donc il y a un passage là et un passage là. On va se mettre en mode accroupi. Au cas où s'il y a du monde. Là il faut la vigueur. Nous l'avons. Entrer dans la grotte de l'épreuve. Très bien, donc nous avons l'hôtel.
Another one of those monstrosities.
Look at the basin and the symbols around it. Given the islanders' taste for rituals and enigmas, I think you should touch the water.
Touchez l'eau qui s'y trouve. On va déjà l'examiner. Oh là. Ah oui. Il y a un petit mob de ce côté.
Either you've been taken with a fever, or you've had another vision. You're shaking like a leaf.
Yes. Once again, I was something else.
Oh, another story to understand and candles to light, I imagine. What did you see?
I was in the sky. I was floating, carried by the wind. And it was a cold feeling. I was high up and it was getting colder and colder. I felt my blood freezing in my veins. I fell to the ground and spun slowly. And then the sun warmed me, and suddenly I bounced on the ground, and I was taken by the bubbling current of this creek. Then, just like before, the vision dissipated, and I was suddenly with you again.
D'accord. Donc faut refaire... Faut refaire la vision, c'est ça? Est-ce qu'on a moyen de la revoir? Examiner.
Here, this looks like a snowflake. Snow or maybe ice.
Alors je pense que on était dans les airs en train de voler et en virevolter. Je pense que c'est la neige, déjà. Là, c'est de l'eau. Ici, c'est quoi?
This stone is blackened, eaten away. I think it is
Donc ça, c'est la mort.
supposed to evoke
On n'en
death.
a pas besoin. Ça,
This
c'est le
stone
vent.
bears the image of a storm, or perhaps the wind.
Ouais, c'est le vent.
On this stone, the sun is visible.
Le soleil. Ensuite, ça, c'est le feu. Et ça, c'est la renaissance. Très bien. Donc, si on reparle à Kurt, est-ce que on peut
Could you
reparler de ça?
remind us of what you saw? In the exact order?
I was in the sky.
Les
I
airs.
was floating, carried by the wind.
Donc les
And it was
airs
a cold feeling.
avec
I was
la
high up and
neige,
it was
je
getting
pense.
colder and colder. I felt my blood freezing in my veins. I fell to the ground and spun slowly. And then the
Donc le
sun
soleil.
warmed me, and suddenly I bounced on the ground, and I was taken by the bubbling current of this creek. Then,
L'eau.
just like before, the vision dissipated, and I was suddenly with you again.
D'accord. Donc je dirais le vent. Le vent, la neige. Le soleil. L'eau.
This stone is adorned with the etching of a drop of water.
Donc on a bien résolu l'énigme. Accomplir l'épreuve de l'eau. Le problème c'est qu'il y a ce trou de balle. Au niveau de la carte. Donc il faut bien passer. Faut bien passer par lui. Ah attendez. On peut passer par là. On peut peut-être passer par là. Peut-être que ça nous éviterait de tuer justement le gardien. Nous avons des peintures. Ici, il y a une porte.
This must be the seal that Glendan spoke about. It looks like the silhouette of the mountain of Tir Fredi, and a face is drawn within it.
L'épreuve de l'eau, c'est fait. On est pas mal. Donc on va reparler au chef du village. Bon, tout s'est bien passé pour celui-là. On va voir s'il nous propose une autre épreuve.
Bear Tyr to Mad on Olmenawi. I congratulate you for passing the trial. Enter.
Ouais, ça a été facile, tranquille.
And so you have returned. Can you tell me what the seal deep within the cavern brings into your mind?
A face in the mountain of Tyr Fridi.
Then you have seen the true face of the island when looking into her waters. And the island has seen inside you. You sent the beasts into a deep sleep. That was very clever. Another before you did the same. In choosing the path of silence, you avoided confronting the Dosantats. Finally, you have completed the ritual. And in so doing, the Guardian recognized you as a wise man. You choose to trust the way of ruse and wisdom. It is a difficult path, but it carries generous fruits. The island has seen your intelligence and also your compassion. The friendship of Katasach towards you no longer surprises me.
Am I authorized to encounter Enon Milfrictiman now? To present him with my request?
If the High King agrees, yes. We shall not oppose that decision. Only a High King or High Queen is allowed to open the sanctuary. I warned you. Your voyage is far from over.
I suppose that I'm going to need to convince him as well. Where can I find him?
I do not know. And I believe that it may be another trial on your path to find the one you seek.
Is he hiding? Has he been captured?
He disappeared several months ago. Since then we have not heard from him. He was worried about the Renaigse. The last people to have seen him, I'm told, were the most important chiefs of the clans here at the council. There was Deirdre, Blatnid, Ulan, and Dunkas.
I fear that the Queen Bladnid can no longer help us.
Yes, we have learned of her fate. Some battles cannot be won twice. Deirdre is the Mal of the clan of the Storm Warriors. You will find her in the village of Vedlug.
I have already met her. She sent me to confront a guardian.
That sounds like her. Ulan is the Mal of the village of Vignamri, near the coast. It is said that he welcomes the Renaigse. As for Dunkas, he leads
Ah, on
the
le connaît lui aussi.
Vigidor. He is the chief of the Earth Healers. His village is not very far from the Didekid and Nadages.
Very well. I will go and see them. Try to find this High King. Thank you, Glendan.
Kwa'awalamsek. I hope that you will find him.
On a réussi l'épreuve de l'eau, niveau 32. Je pensais qu'on en aurait eu plusieurs. Je suis presque déçu du coup. Au niveau des points de compétences, je voulais débloquer les pièges comme ça. Après j'ai un point d'attribut. Alors je ne sais toujours pas si je le mets en force ou en agilité. Il faudra que je me penche dessus à l'occasion. Donc du coup, il faut aller parler à Constantin. Mais j'ai vu sur une quête annexe, il y a Siora qui nous propose donc la suite au niveau des missionnaires dans son village. On va aller voir Siora. Je pense que ça pourrait être pas mal. Donc du coup, est-ce qu'on a... On a le feu de camp qui est juste là. Je vais aller au feu de camp. Je vais pas voyager comme ça. Comme ça, je vais convoquer mes compagnons. Et on va parler à Siora tout de suite. Parce qu'autant on est dans la bonne région. Alors, convoquer les compagnons. Eleusura, elle est juste là, par la Sura.
Karans, I need to talk to you. I have to ask you for another favor.
I'm listening, Siora.
Do you remember the mine shakers in my village?
Yes. If I understand correctly, there was some kind of an agreement made with them.
Even though these priests would make good allies against the lions because they hate them as much as we do, my mother would never have traded the spirits of the people of the village in exchange for their help. And she would have wanted to be buried according to our rituals. She was deeply attached to our traditions.
So you think that they're lying?
Yes. And you understand these Renagse better than I do. Will you investigate this matter with me?
Ah mais taisez-vous les moutons à côté, on s'entend plus réfléchir. Oui, oui, on va l'aider, bien
Of
évidemment.
course. Let's go.
Donc on va faire partir Afra. Et on va valider l'équipe. Donc maintenant on va pouvoir voyager. Donc on retourne questionner les missionnaires. Bien, 24 mètres. Ça devrait aller. Ils sont tous là. Alors, la sœur missionnaire.
Hello, my child. What a pleasure to see someone come to us with such eagerness. Do you want to hear the word of Saint Matthias and come into the light?
Not really, Father. My name is de Sardet. I'm the legate of the congregation.
Nice to meet you, Your Excellency. What can we do for you?
Alors, parler de l'accord passé avec Bladni.
We would like to know more about the agreement you supposedly sealed with Bladnid.
I do not see how our agreement concerns the congregation. But since you are asking us, we swore to provide this village with all our support in their fight against the Alliance.
In exchange, its inhabitants will have to renounce their pagan cult and turn towards the light.
My mother would never have made such an agreement. She's the one who encouraged me to become a Donegad.
The Queen had understood that the light was the only true path, even if she was attached to traditions. It is for this reason that we have accepted to seal our agreement according to your own rituals.
She had an engraver come to Val Ristel. He carved your strange symbols in the stone.
I do not believe a single word of this. You, the people of the light, are nothing but liars.
You would do well to hold your tongue, young lady. This village is now under our spiritual authority.
By not respecting us, you are committing blasphemy. And blasphemy is a crime that we punish severely.
Because you think that you
Ça
can
va partir en
administer
live.
justice here. I am the daughter of Bladnid, and you are...
Siora, let's not get into another battle and make new enemies. Let's go find this stone.
That is an excellent idea. Then you will see that we are telling the truth.
Ouais mais autant elle a gravé la pierre, il parle pas la langue, elle a gravé, allez vous faire bien enfiler. Elle est tout là-bas. Ah mais elle est loin. D'accord. Écoutez, on va prendre directement le voyage. On va pas se taper tout à pied. Au campement, c'est parfait. Juste là. On mitraille comme un sourd. Quoi, c'est la pierre qui est détruite là?
Here's the stone we were looking for. It is destroyed. We can no longer
Ah, ça les
decipher
arrange
the
bien, hein.
symbols. Strange, isn't it?
This stone was damaged on purpose. We will never know the precise terms of the agreement.
There may be a way. Promises in stone are a very ancient tradition. Those who want to make these agreements must turn to a keeper of promises. An artisan who makes the stones speak. There are but a few. We did not have one in our village before Karadek's arrival. He must be the one who engraved this stone.
I thought you could not write.
The Donegada have a secret writing that the keepers of promises always learn. Those who want to seal a promise tell them to write, and they take care of it.
D'accord, il va falloir parler à un gardien. Et il est à 3000 km, comme d'habitude. Bah, du coup, on reprend le feu alors. Oh là, heureusement qu'il y a ces putains de feux. Ah, j'aurais pété un câble sinon. Donc, il est au fond.
Strange. It looks like no one's there, but the door's left open.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a eu ici? Non mais ils ont tout dégommé.
Everything is broken and turned upside down. A sculpted engraved stone. Empty. What happened here?
It seems like there was a fight. Everything is scattered around.
This workshop was devastated on purpose.
The owner must have left in a hurry, taking a few things and destroying the rest.
Unless someone else did this. We must find Karadeg.
Do you know where he might be?
This engraved stone bears the mark of Baraeg Nodas, Doncass's clan. Do you remember him? Karadeg originally belonged to this clan. He may have returned.
Let's go to Vigigidor and we'll find out.
C'est parti pour les quêtes FedEx. On me dit qu'il faut aller là-bas. Go la pierre de voyage. Donc du coup, c'est par ici.
What brings you here on Almanawi?
Parler du gardien des promesses.
We're looking for Karadeg, the keeper of promises.
Did he come back to your village?
He did come, and then he left. We could not take him back.
Parler de l'exil du graveur.
Did you exile him? Why?
He is the one who left. He disagreed with our stance on the Renaigse. He thought that we should be fighting them, throwing them back to the sea. This is why he joined the Gaesrad. And I did not want him to return if it meant that he would bring his hatred with him.
Ouais bon, c'est compréhensible. Mais bon, vu toute la merde qu'on a foutue sur l'île, je le comprends. Demandez où le graveur se trouve en ce moment.
Do you know where
Ouais, je pense qu'il le sait pas.
He feared someone or something, and he wanted to hide. He must have left for the woods, south of here. He knows the area well.
Is there anything else?
Au sud d'ici.
I must leave. Goodbye, Dunkus.
Bon, il nous a indiqué au moins la direction. Après, bon. C'est pas qu'on a un point. Un point à peu près précis. Donc il est ici. Écoutez, très bien. On va y aller tout de suite. C'est pas trop loin. Donc je vais peut-être vous laisser avec moi. Histoire de voir un petit peu de paysage. Au lieu de se TP à chaque fois, bon. Vous suivez aussi la série pour regarder un petit peu comment est le jeu réellement. Hein. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Il y a un passage au-dessus. Pourquoi faire? Pas tomber, hein? Est-ce que j'aurais oublié quelque chose? Bon, si c'est juste pour ce coffre, ça valait pas trop le coup. TB, on en a plus cassé. Non, il y avait pas grand chose. Du coup, je crois qu'il n'y a que ce passage.
It is Karadeg. He's over there.
Bon, on vient en ami. On a apporté de la bouffe.
Siora, Bertir Tumad Donegad. What are you doing with these strangers?
These strangers are my friends, Karadeg. You can speak in front of them without fear.
What do you want?
Ouais, qu'est-ce que tu veux? What do you want? L'interroger sur son rôle de gardien des promesses.
Tell me about your role as Keeper of Promises. What does it consist of?
Most words must be free and able to fly like birdsong. But some words must survive those who utter them. So they call on the Keepers of Promises. Those who want to become one must win the trust of the Donegada and prove their wisdom. Then they teach us the words of stone. And when someone wants to seal a promise, we offer them those words.
So
Ah, il lui
you're a
prête, hein.
kind
Faut lui rendre après.
Thank you, Karadeg.
Do you want to know anything else?
Ben, savoir ce que tu as marqué. L'interroger sur la stèle du pacte avec Telem.
We would like to ask you about a stone you supposedly engraved.
It is the stone of the Renaigse, isn't it? I should never have accepted to seal such a promise. I did not like them, but I could not refuse to fulfill my duty. Not when Bladnid was demanding it. And now that she is no longer with us, these Monasinaiga are chasing me.
It is because you are the last person to know what was engraved on it. The stone has been destroyed.
I kept the piece of tree bark in which I prepared the glyphs. All the details are there.
Vas-y, file
This
l'écorce.
tree bark, we could verify what my mother promised. Can you give it to us?
No, Donegad.
Quoi?
I do not mean to disrespect you, but I will not. The Renaigse only bring us trouble, and you come with them. They will disappoint you just like they disappointed your mother. I do not want to deal with them ever again. They threaten my life, and because of them, I am forced to hide here.
Lui proposer de rejoindre les rebelles. Et ouais, mais j'ai pas Vasco avec moi. J'ai pas Vasco, bordel de merde. Mais non, je vais pas le menacer, c'est débile.
I understand your fear. Take some time to think and we'll come back later to see you.
Je peux pas le menacer. Bah écoutez, je vais prendre Vasco dans mon équipe et je reviendrai le voir avec vous. Je vais faire une petite ellipse. Donc normalement avec Vasco, on va pouvoir arranger les choses.
Renaigse, you have returned.
Interroger sur la stèle du pacte,
We
bon
would
ça on
like to
connaît.
talk once more about the glyphs on this stone.
I told you that I did not want to hear about this promise any longer.
Hop là, lui proposer de rejoindre les rebelles.
Since you want to chase the Renaigse away, and since you want protection, why don't you join the rebels? We could indicate the location of one of their camps for you.
The rebels?
The Donea Exregao. They fight the Renaigse, and they accept people from all clans.
I have heard about them, but I didn't know where to find them.
We could help you find them, but we need this tree bark. It's the only way to prove that the priests lied.
In that case, take the tree bark. I hope that it will help you to chase these Renaigse away, Donegan. And I did not think I would say this one day. But thank you, Renaigse.
What do these glyphs say?
That we will
voilà, on a gagné un peu plus de répute.
Against the lions, and they must help us in return. There is nothing about the spirits of the people of the village, or renouncing our traditions. I knew they were lying. Let's show this to Isilde.
Retourner au village. Oui, on va y aller tout de suite, on se TP. Hein. Les autres trous de balles ils sont là. Nous, on a besoin d'aller ici.
Siora, Asir, always with your new friends. Bertir to Madiseld, I'm happy to see you. What do you want?
Parler de l'accord avec les missionnaires.
Isilde, about this pact your mother supposedly made with the priests.
Yes. Did you find anything new?
Dénoncer les mensonges des missionnaires.
We retrieved the piece of tree bark that Karadeg used as a model.
Siora, what's written on it? Mother promised to help them against the lions, and they promised to help us in return. There's nothing mentioned about them settling here. And even less about them being entitled to the spirits of the people of our village. So they lied. They mocked us. And insulted the memory of our mother. I think it's high time they left. Don't you agree? I think so too. Come on, let's go. You lied to us. You took us for gullible children. Leave this village at once. You will never be welcome here again.
But if you want our help with the Alliance, your people must convert to the light.
On va les convaincre.
By lying, you have
Enfin,
insulted
peut-être.
the memory of the
75%.
Queen.
Bon.
The entire village will be happy to make
Toujours
you
un peu
pay for
d'espoir.
your affront if they hear about it. You do well to leave before having to face their wrath.
We are not here to
Alors on a
shed
réussi.
blood.
Very well, we're leaving. But we will not forget your role in this matter.
Bon, je vais perdre de la réputation d'un côté, mais bon, c'est pas bien grave. Hein. Avec Telem.
I did not think they would leave of their own accord. Thank you, Anol Manawi. Thanks to you, we managed to chase away these lawyers. And we will be able to perform our rituals and give our mother back to the earth. Yes. Thank you. Our village is in your debt. Siora, I will need you for the ritual. Will you help me? Of course, Asir.
Eh ben, on a gagné de la réputation. Bon, on est amical avec tout le monde. Ça c'est parfait. On est amical qu'avec les natifs. J'espère qu'on aura d'autres occasions de monter les autres réputations. J'aurais bien aimé être amical avec tout le monde, mais on peut pas contenter tout le monde. Hein. Donc du coup, il va falloir... quête... On n'a plus qu'à aller parler à Constantin. Écoutez, très bien. On n'a pas une pierre de TP? Si, juste derrière. Parfait, ça. Allez, on va parler à Constantin. Y a personne qui me donne... Ah si, Siora me donne une quête. Alors attendez. On va quand même lui parler.
Karan, could you help me once more?
What is it?
I must prepare the ritual for our mother's funeral, and I think that I will need your help.
But your sister will be there. Surely you'd rather be together.
For the ritual, yes, it will only be the two of us. But before that, your support would be a great help. Will you come with me?
Ah, je peux te faire un petit câlin, y a pas de problème. Bon, on accepte, allez.
Of course. I'd be happy to be by your side. Let's go.
Donc du coup, on a toujours Siora dans notre équipe. Pas de problème. On va partir d'ici pour finalement se re-TP. Pas bien grave. Ce n'est pas bien grave. On fait ça. On se re-TP. Autant finir les petites quêtes secondaires comme ça. Comme ça on pourra se pencher sur la quête principale. Je pense qu'il nous reste 3-4 régions à visiter. Ou lieux en tout cas. Je me fie au nombre de régions où je n'ai pas pris les feux de camp. Et Seld.
Siora, Asir, always with your new friends. Bertir to Madiseld, I'm happy to see you. What do you want?
Lui parler des funérailles de la reine.
I'm only here to accompany Siora.
I came to give our mother back to the earth, Iselt. It is high time we did, I know. Performing the ritual might help me feel less empty. Iselt, I miss her too. Did you go to Vasrigan? No. Preparing the place is the role of the Donegada. I was afraid I would not do things properly.
D'accord. Accompagner Siora jusqu'au tumulte. Jusqu'au tumulte. Ah, très bien. On prend un petit peu vite fait quelques petits bonus au passage. Le tumulte. Est-ce qu'on peut se rapprocher avec un feu de camp? Pas vraiment. On va essayer d'y aller vite fait. Nous on se rejoint là-bas les gens. Donc c'est de ce côté.
Something's wrong. Normally you would hear the birds singing in this place.
What do you mean?
I don't see anything peculiar.
There. Canelands. This is not their natural habitat at all. We cannot leave them here, so close to the burial mound.
Allez, venez. Venez, venez.
What they are doing in this area. You never see any around here.
Donc il y a des nids.
In the shadow of the burial mound.
In that case, we have no choice but to destroy their nests. Otherwise, they'll just keep coming back.
You are right. We cannot let these carnivores roam so
Il y a un
close
nid
to
de
my
chaque
mother's
côté.
remains.
C'est parti. Bon, ça va pop ici, non? Ouais. Oh, mais il va m'arrêter. Il va arrêter là. Saleté. Et de 1. Le deuxième est par là-bas.
my blade. And let's go!
Close to it. Steering.
Potion if you want to cast more spells. Bit of poison on my blade. And let's go! Let's see if you can ward off this sprint.
Ils sont vraiment nombreux. Hein.
These beasts will no longer trouble the peace of our queen. All we have to do now is to take care of the ceremony.
Donc très bien, maintenant on va rentrer dans le tumulte. Ça doit être gigantesque.
Is there anything else to prepare?
Of course. We will need some sensors crafted especially for the ritual.
Where can we find them?
It would be ideal if we could craft them ourselves, but otherwise the village artisan probably sells them. And I will also need some mortuary lotion. I will have to coat my mother's body with it before giving her back to the earth. I will give you a list of all the ingredients because we will have to prepare it ourselves. The merchants won't sell it. Once we have gathered these last items, then Isolde and I will be able to perform the ritual. I thank you for being by my side and helping me the way you are. It means a lot to me.
Don't mention it, Siora.
Mais ouais, pour la famille, on est toujours là. Y a aucun problème. Par contre... on a ça. Ici. Donc... le symbole. L'écorce. Décidément. Donc il faut les crafter. Et j'avais pas quelque chose pour niveau d'ici. Ah non, je peux recycler les équipements sans avoir à utiliser un atelier. Pour les popos, je suis obligé d'avoir un atelier. Très bien. Donc là, on a le tumulte. Y a pas un petit truc à choper? Je trouve ça dommage. On va ressortir. Y a rien pour nous là. Oh, le jour quand on sort là. Donc. Ah ouais, du coup il faut que je retourne à un feu de camp. Il y en a ici, mais il faut faire tellement de détours. Je pense qu'on va redescendre ici et on va essayer d'atteindre celui-là. Bon bah du coup, on se retrouve au feu de camp les gens. Je vous dis à tout de suite. Donc nous sommes arrivés au feu de camp. Utiliser l'établi. On a besoin de encensoir et de la solution mortuaire. Je crois que c'est 2 encensoirs, il me semble.
We have all that we need.
C'est ça.
Let's go back to the burial mound to put everything in place.
Retourner directement à Vasrigen. Parfait. Donc maintenant il faut aller directement là-bas.
Here we are. It is on this stone altar that we will place the body of my mother. We must place a censer where her head will be, and another near her feet. And then you will have done everything you could to help me. And I am infinitely grateful for it. Your presence by my side means a lot to me. But only my sister and I can participate in the ceremony.
Non mais
This is how
on comprend ça,
our ritual of the dead is
faut se recueillir et tout.
Do you understand?
Bien sûr que oui. Placer les encensoirs. Verser la potion.
There. Everything is in place. Thanks again, Honor Manawi. My sister should be joining me soon. You should wait outside. Oh, these rituals are demanding. But they help us to say goodbye to those we love. You have been a true friend. A Karans, accepting to help me the way you did. Thank you. I will never forget the kindness you displayed. Conforming to our customs and staying by my side.
It's only natural, Siora. I know what it feels like to lose someone who was dear to you.
We should go now. It is time to return to the living.
Réputation plus 3. On reste quoi qu'il arrive amical. Hein. Donc du coup on nous a remis sur la quête principale. C'est parfait. Bon bah du coup les gens, je pense qu'on va se laisser là pour cet épisode. Likez la vidéo si elle vous a plu. Laissez-moi des commentaires pour me dire ce que vous auriez fait de différent au niveau des quêtes, vu que c'est à choix multiples. J'aime bien voir un petit peu ce que les gens ont fait. Si vous voulez continuer à me suivre dans cette aventure, je vous invite à vous abonner. Sur ce, je vous dis à la prochaine!